Good morning! Welcome to day 30, last day of morning yoga challenge. Let's begin our practice in child's pose today. Keep your knees hip distance or wider apart. Walk your hands forward on the mat and release your forehead down. Begin to deepen your breath here. Breathing into your belly, chest, sides and back of the body. Expanding the ribs on the inhale. And softening a bit more towards the ground on the exhale. Take one more big full breath in child's pose. And make your way up into downward facing dog. Find a bit of movement here. Walk your feet out, shake your head. Then come to stillness in your downward dog. Keep the distance between your feet and hands pretty long. We will move into plank from here. With inhale, shift your weight forward, shoulders above the wrists, high plank. Exhale, push your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Inhale forward into plank. Exhale back to downward facing dog. 3 more rounds like this. Move with your breath, slowly and with control. One more time, shift your weight forward into plank. Pause here, take an extra breath, and lower down to the mat. Point your feet, place your hands a little wider than your mat, palms or fingertips down. With inhale, lift your chest up into Cobra. With exhale, release forehead down to the mat. And keep moving like this. With inhale, lifting up, arching the back. With exhale, lowering down. Keep pressing the tops of the feet and pubic bone into the mat, trying to come up a little higher each time. And bring your hands next to your shoulders and press yourself up into hands and knees position, tabletop. Extend your left leg back, right arm forward. Inhale, here lengthen. Exhale, draw knee to your elbow. With inhale, lengthen your arm and leg. Exhale, round the spine, knee to elbow. Again, inhale, extend. Exhale, round. Last time, inhale to extend. And exhale, hand and knee down to the mat. Same on the other side, straighten your right leg back, left arm forward. Lengthen on the inhale, round the back, exhale. 2 more, inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale, exhale, round the back. With inhale, straighten, exhale, hand and knee down. Come up into downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your right leg up, 3-leg dog. Exhale, step it forward between your hands and lower your back heel down for warrior 2. Raise up to standing, bend your front knee above the ankle and reach your arms out in line with the shoulders. Keep your front knee bent. With inhale, reach your right arm up and back, reverse warrior. Left hand down on the left side or behind the back for half bind. Take a big inhale. Exhale back to warrior 2. Straighten your front leg for triangle pose. Maybe step your back foot closer if you need to. Reach forward with your right hand as far as you can. And lower it to the shin. Look up to your upper hand. Inhale in triangle pose. Exhale, palms down to the mat. Step your right foot back into plank. And downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step between your hands. Release your back heel down and raise up into warrior 2. Gaze forward over your left hand. With your next inhale, reverse warrior. Left arm reaches up and back. Keep your front knee bent. Inhale, reach up a bit more through your left arm. Exhale back to warrior 2. Straighten your front leg. Reach forward with your left hand. And drop it down to your shin as your right arm extends up and look up. Take one more inhale here. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step back to plank pose and downward facing dog. Separate your feet a little wider and reach back with your right hand to catch your left ankle on the outside. Look up from underneath your left armpit, twisted downward facing dog. Bring your right hand back to downward facing dog and reach your left hand back to catch your right ankle. And come back to your downward facing dog. One more big full breath here. And release your knees down, sit down to your heels. Roll your shoulders back. Interlace fingers behind your back for shoulder stretch. Gently pull your hands away from you. And stay here if it's enough stretch, or you can also bend forward into child's pose variation for head down on the mat. Hands pulling away from the body. Last big breath here. And release your hands. Find a comfortable seat on your mat, sitting on the heels or cross-legged. Release your hands to your knees. Close your eyes and take a moment to reflect on the last 30 days. Think about physical and mental changes that you noticed happening during this challenge. Maybe your body getting stronger and more flexible. Maybe you feel a bit more focused and energized when you practice yoga in the morning. Maybe your stress level is lower now when you practice yoga regularly. Whatever it is that you can think of, take a mental note of these changes. Try to remember the feeling that yoga gives you when you practice regularly. You can come back to this thought and this feeling every time you lack motivation to step on your mat, because sometimes that is the hardest part. Take a big inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart and open your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me during this challenge. Congratulations on making it to the very end, and I hope that you will continue practicing yoga regularly, whether it's in the morning or any other time of the day. Let me know in the comments if you have any feedback or questions. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.